invitation, the CAP 7 that I think they're trying to institutionalize the flag raising ceremonies di barangay na. That we need to support them. So, na ito'y nararabitin nyo, at may sa ito'y magipakita that really we would like to fulfill the ipagpagan iti may sa kalitan the National Heraldic Act code na iba to the Republic Act 8491 Kukulana na amin na government institutions to include learning institutions, be it private or public, ispilaan that masapul na tayo kastoy ka flag raising ceremonies. Anay pag-aijay, masapul nga every Monday. Although of course you are being encouraged because we know that in the calendar, in the first day of the week, the Domingo, kada tayo nga na iti public service, that usually the ispilaan, the first working day is Monday. But it is good for us to start the working week as one community. Like, for example, attending these flag raising ceremonies. Una niya ako, Presidente, na itikas na apil na, binudawat na iti barangay officials na tumabalin po rin every month, first Monday of the month. At one month, hindi makita tayong problema ay dyan. Yeah? Of course, invitation nyo, nakakabi ni Jai, kapay sa mga purposes na mo, pa-familiarize nyo ni Jai, at kanta. Yeah? What? For a City Hall, katuna niya po Mayor, you're required to memorize, not only memorize, but to internalize. Yeah? Iyay, Baguio him, for a pagkitiyan, iyay, na duma QMS policy, yeah, dapat di barbaro related to Baguio's commitment to good public service. And of course, dahil na Cordillera Hymn. At makita ko din na ma-practice na yun. Yeah? Oo. Hindi Cordillera Hymn lang, di ba, 5 istansa diya. Usually, katal na the first 2 istansas, and then the chorus. At umantahan na, every stanza chorus, medyo pabayagan kayo no, as yan. Yeah? But of course, suggestion niya, in case that you would like to adapt. Yeah? Another one, suggestion, loko na yung every first Monday, kaya ito siguro nga i-rotation sino the sponsoring office. We know the sponsoring sector. Papalit na, okay, senior citizens na. Papalit naman na, barangay officials. O kaya kamay na, papalit na, per committee. Papalit na, IEMR. Sponsoring office. Isunod mo. Papalit mo,